DIY cat house. So this is DIY cat house using a box, any box. I got it from the grocery store. You will cut it in the front like that. Cut it and set it aside because we will use it as a roof later. Remember, ask your parents for help. Do not do this alone at home. Then just tape it so it will be okay. Just tape it like that. Then using a stapler, we will use it in the roof, so our roof will be strong like that. Diba, naubusan na ako sa English, moms. Then we need to cut that side later, but now let's just staple it. Staple. Ask for your parents' help and do not do that alone. Next, using cutter, we will cut this side. Cut it. Then we will use it as a roof. Katulad din ng bubong. Naubusan na ako ng English, magtatagalog na ako. Ewan ko ba. Yan, staplering lang natin siya. Mga kids, ask for your parents' help and do not do this alone. Okay? It's a nice project to do with your parents and it is for your pet. Kung maliit sila, it can be used for dog. Tapos tape it. Then using I use garbage bag, yung malinis. Or you can use any kind of plastic para lang maging waterproof siya yung labas niya. Kasi especially if nasa labas yung cat, mas maganda na ibabalutan mo siya ng plastic para hindi agad masira. So there you go. Use plastic to cover up. If you have scissors, you can cut the tape using scissors. Ayan, final product, binalutan na siya, so matibay na yan. Yan. Then using some I don't know, cloth paper yata ang tawag dyan. Cloth paper. I use it to decorate the inside. Then, cloth paper, I cut it like that. Then, I use it as a roof design. Bubong. Roof. Yan. Tapos yung ibang roof, ginawa ko siyang design. So, yan. Nagmukha na siyang bahay. Look how pretty it is. Oh, diba? Ang ganda na niya. So, yan yung finished product niya. That's the finished product in English. Busan na ako English here. Maging bilingual. Anyways. Tapos, ito na niya yung ginawa. Ayan na. Nilagyan ko siya ng unat and kuhot for our cat. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. This is MachArt. Like and subscribe. Bye!